happiest season of all. With those holidays.
But above all this, I wish you love. And I cannot believe it. Alam mo bakit? Kasi siya yung sinusundan niya sa director.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. With those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales.
Love you, Ate. Thanks for coming. Thank you, Brad Frank.
Merry Christmas from my house and our hearts to yours. Thank you so much for having joined us dito sa nakaraang taon ng 2025. I wish you happy, merry, love-filled, fun-filled, healthy, prosperous Christmas and also everything in the coming New Year. May you have the best New Year ever and the happiest Christmas yet. Love you everybody. Salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal at